Yeah, hang on a sec, let me get rid of that.
Alright.
You want to move that? Just push it back with the forklift.
Yeah, I'll just do it before it's back.
He's just moving that down there. It's got a couple of face plates on it. Like really small face plates there, see them? They're massive. Hey, Robbo's doing a burnout down here. He's basically going to the limits of this forklift. Now he's basically just shaking it so it sinks back down into it a bit. Sid walking past. You didn't just try and push that, did you, Sid?
No, I just felt how hard it was to push it in. So because the ball run, I thought it fell in there.
Yep. It's basically at this point, it doesn't matter how much we wreck it with the forklift. Got some bells that have been chopped up there, and a couple of bells there. Sorry, all that there, and all that there, and all that on that pallet. That's from one bell. One. That's how big it was. He's gone over the other side by like 3 inches or something, so they're just going to try and get that to... There we go.
Oh, I can see it again before I go.
Beautiful. Doing a burnout. Robbo does. Robbo. Woo! Trash it.
Rough, you'd have to do it yourself. If you wanted it done any rougher, you'd have to do it yourself.
I think Robbo's having fun, eh?
N.O. Derby work.
Alright.
You don't have to be young to be a kid. Oh, he's having waiting on something.
He is. Yep. Demolition derby.
Don't let's go home though.
No, he's not, is he? Look, Sid's car's in front of those pallets. I think we're staying a bit longer than we thought. Check them out, folks. Look at that. Big old relic. Someone's going to make some money in scrap off that, I tell you. Oh, I'd love to take that to the scrap metal place. Yeah, it's well and truly in there now. Oh look, look! It's got cobwebs on cobwebs.